शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय हर हर भोले नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय हर हर भोले नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय हर हर भोले नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः।
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for tuning in with us today. We are honored and privileged to be in conversation with Mehraj Jai Sharma ji, who will enlighten us on this path where we discuss one of the most difficult subjects today, the final journey. Welcome, Mehraj ji.
Thank you, Neeta and Deepa. You both are very brave and you brought this topic, and this is a very important topic in our Hindu culture, right? And also this can give, not give, enlightening also the new generation and giving them the opportunity to learn how we perform the correct final ritual for our loved ones.
Sure. Thank you, Mehraj ji.
Thank you.
We wish to inform our viewers today that the format of today's discussion will be in question answer format. We've gathered frequently asked questions and a lot of other information that Mehraj ji will very kindly address. We also leave the last 10 minutes to Q&A, so if there's anything that has not been answered or if you have any questions or queries, then please write into us into the comments and on whichever channel that you're tuned into, and we'll be very happy to address them.
हम आपको बताना चाहेंगे कि आज का डिस्कशन एक सवाल जवाब के फॉर्मेट में कंडक्ट किया जाएगा। तो जिसको कोई भी सवाल हो, हम दरख्वास्त करेंगे कि आप डिस्कशन होने के बाद आखिरी 10 मिनट में कमेंट्स के जरिए भेज सकते हैं। तो should we start?
We start the final journey.
Alright.
And start.
तो पहले सवाल, पहला सवाल that is, the subject today is the final journey. So I guess the burning question here is, what is the final journey, Mehraj?
Final journey in English and Antim Yatra in Hindi and Anteshti in the Sanskrit. Very important for the soul. When the soul comes out from the body, right, and go for the journey from the Pret Lok to the Pitru Lok, and when the family support and perform 13 days rituals and prayers, then then the soul can depart happily, peacefully from here to the Pitru. That's the final journey.
Thank you so much, Mehraj, for explaining that. So losing a loved one is so difficult,
Yeah.
as it is. And all the processes that come along with it can be very complicated, especially for the younger generation, as there is so much to do while they grieve their loss. Can you please run through the immediate procedure after someone passes away, so we all get a brief idea as to what the necessary steps are?
Yeah, the first stage is that very important that if someone knows that is now the final stage of our loved one and he going to leave from this world, right? So I can suggest, मैं एक बात बताना चाहूँगा कि घर में तुलसी होए, तुलसी का दल होए या गंगा जल होए, वो on the spot उनको मुख में डालना चाहिए, mouth we can put in the mouth, right? And purify, just for the purification, right? And after when the someone passed away, right? So immediately contact your family priest. हाँ, अपने priest को बुलाना चाहिए, and then he can guide us. The first step is then after contact the priest, we should call our relatives overseas, right? Call there and inform them that this is happening in our house. In India, it is very simple, right? When something happens, the body comes to the home. But here in the foreign, we have to do certain formalities, right? Paperwork and the formalities of the documentation, and we should complete the documentation. And after that, we when the whole formalities finished and we fix the date for the cremation, right? उनकी अंत्येष्टि के लिए, उनको अग्नि संस्कार देने के लिए जब हम डेट फिक्स करते हैं, right? फिर हमें प्रिपेयर करना पड़ता है जर्नी फॉर द funeral parlor, right? क्योंकि funeral parlor में क्या होता है? We have to prepare the body for the viewing, for the paying the last respect for all the well-wishers, who the dear friends, dear relatives, who all they come in the funeral parlor to pay the respect for the dead person, right? Yeah. So this and the funeral first stage when the priest going to guide us what the puja things going on, what we're going to perform, right, in the funeral parlor. So he going to give the list of the all the puja prayer सामग्री का वो list देते हैं और फिर क्या होता है पहले funeral parlor में हमें body को ready करना है. Ready करना means giving the bath to the body, and when you get to the bed, right, you put the गंगा जल inside and also उनको dress up करना है, हाँ. तो फिर जब ये सारा preparation हो जाता है तो फिर क्या करते हैं हम लोग बॉडी को नीचे कॉफी में डाल करके नीचे लेके आते हैं फ्यूनरल पार्लर में. वो एक हॉल होता है जहाँ सब केयरिंग होते हैं और उससे पहले क्या होता है कि हमें घर में से बेटे को तैयार करना पड़ता है. अगर फर्स्ट बेटा है तो फुल राइट टू पे द पिन्नी, इन हिंदी भी से पिन्नी ना कांधी बनता है वो, राइट. और we should appoint 4 person, 4 जने चाहिए, हाँ. क्योंकि इंडिया में क्या होता है अर्थी को कंधा लगाते हैं 4, राइट, उनको लगाते हैं और वहाँ तो हेयर भी शेव करते हैं, हाँ. वो उनका भी एक there is a meaning for why we shave the hair. One is the respect for the loved one who passed away, and second thing is there is a scientific reason behind shaving the hair. That is कि कौन सा कोई डिजीज न लगा हुआ हो लव्ड वन को, किसी डिजीज से गया हो, like COVID-19, you even though can't see the body, right, but there किसी भी डिजीज से अगर वो चला गया है तो कांधा कौन लगाते हैं, तो कौन नियर होता है बॉडी के और फोर कांधा, उनको बचाने के लिए तो ये बाल शेव किए जाते थे. So after in the funeral parlor we have some prayers. We give nearly the 5 pindadan for going to the cremation hall, right? So that rituals we have to finish, right? So these the preparation until the funeral hall we have to finish for the loved one.
And then we go on to the cremation as well.
Yeah,
right?
cremation elven and cremation only the near and dear can go, relatives can go, and ladies cannot go, right? Ladies cannot go, and I know there is one question, right? Yeah, the ladies cannot go, and why the ladies cannot participate. I will really put the light on that also. Yeah.
When we get to that question,
Yeah.
yes.
So at the cremation hall, then priest again. Actually, before, even though in Hong Kong, we should when we pray, give the 3 pindadan in the funeral parlor and two pindadan in the cremation house, right? पर अभी क्या हो गया है, अब यहाँ सारे 5 पिंडदान, 5 पिंडदान means the
Yeah, I was just gonna ask, what is pindadan?
Pind actually, pind is the symbolizes the body, right? Symbolize. You know, आपको एक बताऊँ, मैं आपको एक प्रार्थना आती है गुरु नानक देव की, तुम ठाकुर तुम पैया दास है, जी पिंड सब तेरी दास है. Pind means symbolize the body, right? And with that pind in the Garud Puran, it's a little wide explanation, right? When you giving the pindadan, even though here in the cremation hall, in the funeral hall, right? And also you give the pindadan after that for the 10 days, 10, 12, 13 days. But उस पिंड से क्या होता है, प्राणी की, प्रेत आत्मा की क्या बनती है, बॉडी बनती है.
So is that like an intention?
Intention, right? And each and everything in our culture is so strong. Each and everything जो भी होता है, it's a संकल्प. You know, when we take the Sankalp, what is the day, what is the date, what is the Gotra,
okay.
what is the Gotra means the surname, the real Gotra, from where
The
we are.
lineage.
Yeah, which lineage we are, right? वो संकल्प से सारे काम होते हैं. जैसे आज I give you the best example today. You both did the sankalp, right? The sankalp came that we had to ask Maharaji that what is the correct.
So the goal or the intention.
Yes,
Yeah.
intention.
Okay.
So that sankalp, when we put in our hearts, right, that becomes our
So you can manifest the reality.
picture. Yeah. So permission hall में 2 होते हैं, पर आजकल हम लोग इधर ही 5 मिनट जो महाराज जी होते हैं वो 5 मिनट का वो पूजन करवा देते हैं. And then you can see always if the mother or the wife is there, if someone, the husband passed away, the wife carry the coconut, go 4 rounds of that passive sharir, right, with the sun and with the 4 kandi, right? Yeah. And in the funeral parlor, I can see it is a very auspicious place, actually. Very, very auspicious place. Whoever can come should maintain the discipline. Should maintain the discipline. And यहाँ क्या करते हैं लोग कि आते हैं तो वो बैठे रहते हैं. फिर हमने किस ऑकेजन में आप लोगों ने भी फील किया होगा कि आवाज बढ़ती जाती है, इवन दो रिकॉर्डर चलता रहता है, चैंटिंग चलती रहती है. We can feel the soul. You can see when the soul comes out from the body, still is going surrounding the body because the soul has a big attachment with the body. Yeah. Because he spent 70 years, some spent 80 years, some spent 90 years, 110 years with the body. So big attachment, and the soul want to go back, right? So उस soul को शांत करने के लिए you can see that there is chanting going on, and mostly you can hear the powerful mantra of the Lord Vishnu, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, Om Namo Bhagavate. तो हम लोग की एक ड्यूटी हो जाती है, हम लोग का एक क्या हो जाता है कि हाँ कि हम लोग उसको उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करें because we not going to see him again, right? Even though कोई लोग आते हैं ना, even Maharaj Shabbat 15 the Nepal and say he always tell me see कैसे आ रहे हैं पाँव पड़ने के लिए शू भी पड़े हैं और ऐसे ही दौड़ डाउन कर रहे हैं. You see, because I can see from the Garud Puran, from all the scriptures, soul is more pure, soul is more powerful than the God. You know why? Because you can't see the God, but you are connected with the soul. Because he was spending with you when he was your friend, he was your mother, he was your father, whatever the relation you have with the soul. So this is my humble request to everyone. Whenever go for the funeral, keep a pin drop silent, off your mobile, and also I can request to the association or the Maharaj who they are in charge there that make some the bhajans and chanting for create the atmosphere like that soul can feel, and yeah, that's the main.
Okay, so immediately after the passing, there's something that we can do with the body itself.
Yeah.
We can, right after that, contact your family priest to guide you on the instructions. Contact, get all the documentation completed, and make the funeral arrangements. And at the funeral, just some etiquette to follow. Keep silent. Take off your shoes when you're paying respects to the body, and then the cremation. Right? So moving on to the steps right after, what should one do after attending a cremation? So cremation खत्म हो जाता है.
After cremation जैसे ही खत्म हो जाता है, even though the funeral parlor से लोग cremation नहीं जाते हैं, college में sometimes नहीं जाते हैं, even though if they have to go to home, they should take a shower.
Okay.
They take a shower, it's 2 ways. See, the scientific way. Why? Because maybe someone passed away with some disease, right? That is surrounding there. And you know, the funeral parlor में पहले ही बहुत सी bodies आ जा रही हैं, right? आ जा रही हैं. तो उसमें हमें पता नहीं चलता है कि कौन से disease से है. So this is the first step, right? Purify yourself. Go back to your home. take the shower, and then you go for the work. Because work in a spiritual way is your Lakshmi. You're earning there, right? So,
So Maharaji, sometimes people go back directly to work.
yeah.
And then they do chando.
I know. Chando, what we going to purify the Chando? You see,
Or
yeah.
how about Chanda with Ganga Jal?
No,
Right?
even though Ganga, see, taking the shower because we're talking here the hygiene,
Hygiene.
right?
Hygiene level.
Hygiene level. Because क्या कभी भी कोई disease लग सकता है और spiritually also you going to your Lakshmi. You know, you're doing, you're earning, yeah. You're praying there, your business, right? You see? Yeah. So that's also the spiritually is not good. They should go back to home and after even though the cremation hall, even though the family, after the cremation, family should go back to home, take a shower, and after that we have in our tradition, the Garud Puran says that to take out, make some food for the offer to the cow for 10 days, from first day to 10 days.
So
We-
after the cremation, you
after the cremation, because actually see, normally the family को अपने लिए खाना नहीं बनाना होता है, क्योंकि क्या होता है कि अगर क्यों नहीं बनाती, बना सकती हैं, पर क्योंकि उस जमाने में वो सोचते थे that old golden time that in the grief, in the sadness, and some loved one passed away, they cannot cook the food. That's why the friends, the relatives, the in-laws of their children, they come forward to bring the food for the family, but the family should make the food for the cow. To offer the cow a food, and उसमें क्या होता है, उनकी choice का food भी डालते हैं, प्रेत का, जो loved one गए हैं, उनके choice का food. तो 10 days तक गाय का वो निकालना पड़ता है, कहते हैं गाय की रोटी, गाय की रोटी निकालो, हाँ, तो वो निकालना पड़ता है, और उससे क्या होता है कि ये जो भी ऑफरिंग हम स्टेप बाय स्टेप कर रहे हैं एवरी डे, राइट, that goes to the prayer with the sankar, and the evening time, the same day, priest come and he light the lamp.
So is there a significance to why is it only the cow that we feed?
Yeah, because cow in our culture, right? Cow is like a god to the all the Indian women, right? Because after the mother, he is not that Krishna love the cow, right? But because हम लोग क्या सोचते हैं कि गाय बहुत पवित्र है and giver है, सदा देती है, और मदर के बाद कोई भी ह्यूमन हो from the any religion only bring the cow's milk, right? तो हम लोग में यही है कि हम लोग समझते हैं कि काव में सारी देवी देवताओं का वास है, तो काव वेरी शुभ है, right? Yeah.
That was very insightful. So moving on, we'd like to find out what is Margot and Pagrinu, and what is held and how do the pujas thereafter follow. So I heard Margot happened, then Pagrinu happened, or are they the same thing? I'm not sure. And then the pujas follow day by day.
Okay.
So if you can give us a step by step after that.
Yeah. So before that, as I say, कि हम लोग का ये है कि जैसे ही गाय की मानी निकालते हैं, शाम के टाइम प्रीस्ट आते हैं और साउथ कॉर्नर में हम लोग दिया जलाते हैं उस प्रेत आत्मा के लिए। उस आत्मा की टू रीजन है दिया जलाने के। पहला रीजन है कि उनको जर्नी पर जाना है, राइट? प्रेत आत्मा को बिग अटैचमेंट है, अटैचमेंट विद द बॉडी फिनिश, अग्नि संस्कार कर लिया उसका, फिर attachment with the house, right? Attachment to the house, attachment with the office, attachment with what you say, the favorite चीजें, जगह जो भी होंगी, वहाँ तक आत्मा, वो प्रेत आत्मा, वो जाती है। तो उसलिए हम क्या करते हैं, दिया जलाते हैं कि आत्मा को कहाँ भी बैठने के लिए एक जगह है। तो it is very necessary. You see, you cannot bring shortcuts in this prayers. You cannot. Because see, this is you giving the, whole life they give to us. Now it's our turn for their moksha, for their tirupati, right? For their shanti, for their peace, and help the soul to move on from this world. So ये होता है और उसके बाद हम लोग क्या करते हैं, दिया जब जगा देते हैं, 10 दिन तक दिया चलता है। 9th नाइट को दिया परवान करते हैं बिफोर द सनराइज, सनराइज, बिफोर सनराइज मीन्स 10th अर्ली मॉर्निंग दिया हम परवान करते हैं। उसमें क्या होता है, प्रेत आत्मा को कहते हैं कि अभी यहाँ ये जो आपका जो जीवन है, यहाँ आपकी जो यात्रा है वो पूर्ण हो गई, अभी आप अपनी यात्रा आरंभ करो फ्रॉम प्रेत योनि टू पितृलोक। तो इसलिए ये को प्रदान किया जाता है। And very next day, because in Hong Kong में तो ऐसा होता है कि very next day, because we have no less place, right? So because we
Space is an issue,
save that and clear करना है उस एरिया को, तो हम लोग दूसरे दिन क्या करते हैं कि जाके एशेस कलेक्ट करते हैं। एशेस कलेक्ट
That's
करते
the very
हैं
next day.
वेरी नेक्स्ट डे
Of the
एशेस
cremation.
कलेक्ट करके टूरिस्ट में देखिए, एशेस कलेक्ट करके समुद्र में भी डाल सकते हैं,
हाँ।
but if you can afford, if you have a really love for the loved one, actually Garud Puran say the ashes should go to the Ganga. हाँ, गंगा में प्यूरिफाई होने के लिए एक पवित्र जगह पर जानी चाहिए। पर यहाँ क्या होता है, because no time everything, yeah, पर यहाँ से तो बहुत से लोग हैं, बहुत अच्छी फैमिलीज हैं, they went there
So
from
to fly
here.
to India.
Yeah, India. But see, then they say, Maharaj, we cannot go in 10 days, 12 days period because we're performing all the rituals and the rites. So I say, okay, then they keep, here is a good facility in Gurdwara. They keep the ashes in Gurdwara, right? Yeah, so after when they finish all the rituals, then वो लेके जाते हैं। तो जब ashes दूसरे दिन collect होते हैं, actually as per the Garud Puran, तीसरे दिन collect होती है इंडिया में, third day का।
Yes, next day.
एयर नेक्स्ट फिर वहाँ भी पुलिस जो होता है वो प्रेयर करवाता है और एशेस को शांत करने के लिए शांति की पूजा होती है। तो उसके बाद क्या होता है कि मार्को वेरी इन द नेक्स्ट थर्ड डे में क्या होता है, मार्को होता है। मार्को पगड़ियों इज सिंबलाइज के अभी जो ये कारोबार है, अभी ये ऑफिस ओपनिंग भी होती है, तो हम लोग किसकी उनका एल्डर सन होता है, जो भी अपॉइंट करेंगे उस फैमिली की तरफ से जो भी बड़ा होगा, तो इसलिए होता है कि वो अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज ले, फाइनेंशियल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज ले और इस कारोबार को कैरी ऑन।
So that is
पगड़ी, हाँ, you know पगड़ी they used to because
It's like wearing a turban, so it goes from-
पगड़ी means like पहले के जमाने में हम लोग को खाली हमारे बड़े फार्मर थे या कुछ और में काम, विलेजों में काम थे, तो उनको पगड़ी पहनाना मन से सिंबलाइज है पगड़ी पहना, और आजकल हम हैंडकरचीफ पहनाते हैं, right?
So to move, so that should go from one generation to the next generation.
Yes, yeah. Give the right, the rights to the new generation.
Yeah.
Now you carry on, right? Because बहुत सी चीजें होती हैं, फॉर्मेलिटी होती है, बिजनेस की सब चीजें होती हैं, ये फादर की सन को दी जाती हैं। तो अपॉइंट द पर्सन पर पगड़ी। So our forefather were very clever. उन्होंने क्या किया, इस रस्म को भी प्रेयर में लेके आए। गेट टुगेदर होगा, प्रेयर्स होएगी, आएंगे सब लोग, तभी हम लोग क्या करते हैं, शांति पाते हैं।
It's very symbolic.
Yeah, very simple.
Very interesting. So the Marco is different ceremony?
No, Marco, पगड़ी and चौथा, because पंजाबी लोग चौथा करते हैं, हाँ, पंजाबी लोग चौथा करते हैं, तो मेरी सेम,
Oh, it's the same.
Nice.
हाँ, तो फिर
So you can do Marco in the temple, you do the
yeah,
party
yeah,
in
yeah,
the office.
yeah, because see office opening always we do, यहाँ पुलिस जाते हैं ओपनिंग करवाने, और फिर माल को आप स्पेस के हिसाब से अगर ज़्यादा लोग आते हैं तो फिर मंदिर में होता है,
Okay.
किसी हॉल में होता है, इट्स डिपेंड अपॉन द फैसिलिटी कैसी है।
Maharaj, I have one quick question. You keep referring to Garud Puran.
गरुड़ पुराण,
Garud Puran.
Yeah.
Puran. That is a holy book written on the subject of
yeah,
death.
this is a conversation between Lord Narayan and his कहते हैं ना गरुड़ की सवारी, द ईगल,
Yeah.
द गरुड़,
His transport. His,
या उनके बीच गरुड़ पुराण इतना ऑस्पिशियस है, पीपल आर स्केयर्ड टू लिसन द गरुड़ पुराण बिकॉज उसमें सारे सिंस का होता है, तो या चोरी करोगे तो ये सजा मिलेगी, पाप करोगे तो ये मिलेगा, सो वो है। बट एक्चुअली इफ द क्वालिफाइड प्रीस्ट इज देयर, एटलीस्ट ही कैन टेल यू हाउ in Garuda Puran, step by step, the God explaining, Lord Vishnu explaining that when someone passed away, कि पिंड क्यों करने चाहिए, पिंडदान कैसे करना चाहिए, जहाँ नारायण बलि भी होती है वो क्यों करनी चाहिए, स्टेप बाय स्टेप है कि कैसे प्रेत आत्मा न केवल एक पिंडदान से आत्मा का क्या बनता है, हेड बनता है, फिर एक पिंडदान से दूसरे दिन पिंडदान दूसरा करेंगे, उससे क्या बनता है, ears and nose बनता है, then coming means whole body कैसे बनती है, और 10वें दिन प्रेत घूमना शुरू कर देगा, 10वें दिन। That's why you see because keep the home atmosphere very calm and peaceful and directly telling to the आत्मा कि अभी आपका यहाँ सब कुछ फिनिश हो गया है, you can proceed for the journey, right? तो महाराज लोग क्या करते हैं, पगड़ी के दिन या उसके दूसरे दिन, 3 दिन का या 6 दिन का, right? 3 दिन का या 6 दिन का गरुड़ पुराण एंड गीता for the moksha and गरुड़ पुराण for the knowledge। ये क्या हो रहा है, और वो गरुड़ पुराण सुनते प्राणी, वो जो आत्मा है, we're not telling the family that इस sin से ये होता है, उस sin से ये होता है, हाँ, ये पाप करोगे तो ये मिलेगा, वो पाप करोगे तो वो मिलेगा, we not, but all the prayers ultimately giving the benefit to the आत्मा को ये बताने के लिए शांति। It's very important. गरुड़ पुराण के साथ गीता करनी चाहिए, गीता की कथा करनी चाहिए, what the Lord Krishna saying for the moksha, और गरुड़ पुराण मतलब even though family कहे कि नहीं, but explain करे, no problem, we should read that. At least आत्मा is listening. Yeah.
Okay. So ये जो आत्मा होती है, when does the soul actually start its journey, and what is the meaning of Shraap?
Yeah.
Keep hearing.
Actually, as I said that when we do the Pindadan, Pindadan is important. Like we discussed that the Pinda is not a rice bowl, rice bowl of a Pindadan, but it is the Sankalp, right? We represent to the place, right? अभी पिंडदान कैसे होता है, 3 generation, father, grandfather, great grandfather, और 3 वो कौन है, above हैं, और 3 generation down कौन होता है, son, grandson, great grandson, पीछे, और बीच में होते हैं कौन, वो प्रेत आत्मा, 7। You see, scientifically उनका DNA मैच होता है, you know, we call it all the ancestors. The DNA scientifically match होता है with the पिंडदान। So पिंडदान, because हम लोग कहते हैं ना, वो 3 दिन में फिनिश करो, 2 दिन में फिनिश करो, अगर 2-3 दिन में फिनिश करेंगे, तो ये आत्मा आगे कैसे बढ़ेगी? How we going to, because see, ऐसे as I explained, पहले पिंडदान से हेड बनता है, फिर ये, तो उसका बॉडी कैसे बनेगा? So आत्मा start the journey when we parvan the diya. The day
On the
we
10th.
parvan 10th day we parvan the diya, and 10th day का फिर कर्म होता है, पीपल के पेड़ पर पानी डाला जाता है, शिव की पूजा होती है, so that Maharaj can priest will do with you. तो उसमें क्या होता है कि आत्मा को अभी लगता है कि अभी मेरा कनेक्शन इधर नहीं, I have to move from here, प्रेत आत्मा move from प्रेतलोक to the पितृलोक. Pitru means ancestors, where our forefathers are there. पितृलोक, उसमें जाता है, Still moksha is not there. Yeah, moksha we will is very far from the Pitrulok, right? For the Atma. But at least we can give this little bit offering, and with this our little bit help, right? Prayer can move from this world to the Pitrulok. So he's the soul star journey. वो करते हैं कब 10th day.
Okay.
10th day. Yeah.
Yeah. And Shraddh film?
Yeah, Shraddh, actually, Shraddh means Shraddha. Right? Shraddh means Shraddha. Before doing the Shraddh, the 11th day is coming. The 11th day purify not only the house, right? Because, see, the 11th, 12th day, the family not allowed to do any kind of the prayers for the gods, for the other gods. Only we doing the Kriya for the Atma, the Lord one, right?
Yes.
So, 11th day, the Maharaj, he can call all the god and goddess, and also that day we do the more Pindadan, right? We do the proper Pindadan, and that called in Sanskrit Sapandina, and that gave the way to the Atma, and that day the breath start feeling tasting. Taste, mouth.
The taste of the mouth.
Taste of the mouth. Yeah,
Okay.
that flavor. Then he becoming hungry. He become thirsty. That's why that day we do the tarpan.
Which is
Tarpan means the tarpan, milk and water and sesame seed, the till, black till, white till, वो सब मिक्स करके तर्पण करते हैं और उस तर्पण ऑफरिंग तर्पण मिल्क एंड वाटर का ऑफरिंग करते हैं, राइट? तर्पण करते हैं. सो वी हैव अ 4 मनुष्य तर्पण, ऋषि तर्पण, देव तर्पण और प्रेत तर्पण. सबका उनको बुलाते हैं और न केवल उसमें प्रेत का नाम लेते हैं और उनके जितने भी फोर फादर्स हैं उनका नाम लेंगे. एट द एंड उनकी पूरी जो होती है ना गोत्र, उनमें जितने भी लोग चले गए हैं उनके नाम याद नहीं है तो गोत्र का नाम लेके उन सबको शांत करते हैं. कि हमें उनको किससे मिलाना है? पितरों से मिलाना है, पितरों से मिलाना है, उनसे मिक्स करना है, मर्ज करना है, राइट? तो सारे पिंड मर्ज होते हैं, राइट? इसीलिए तो ये 11वीं का नारायण बलि क्यों कहते हैं? नारायण बलि इसलिए कहते हैं बिकॉज नारायण इज द सुप्रीम सोल, होल एंड सोल फॉर द whole Atma, all the soul, not only the human, but also for the creatures who are there under the sea, who they are flying also, and who go walk with the 4 legs, the animals. He is the supreme soul. इसलिए उनका नाम नारायण बलि पड़ा. नारायण का नाम लेने से सारा जो आत्मा की क्या होती है तृप्ति. And the Shraddh actually is the Shraddha. Shraddha, the respect for the loved ones.
Okay.
Right? On that day, yeah, we call it.
that is on the 11th day.
No, then the Shraddh actually coming every year.
Oh, like
Annual Shraddh.
what we call
and
Baramasi.
Baramasi.
Is that
Baramasi. And also the every month Shraddh.
right?
After the 12th day finish, when I say कि आत्मा को भूख लगती है, फिर थर्स्टी होना शुरू होता है 10वें और 11वें दिन, तो हम 12वें दिन क्या करते हैं? 12 पंडितों को बुलाते हैं, राइट? 12 पंडितों को बुलाते हैं और उन पंडितों को क्या, उन जो आत्मा के पसंद का भोजन है वो खिलाते हैं, राइट? और पंडितों को यथा भक्ति यथा शक्ति एज पर अवर कैपेसिटी वस्त्र दान, अन्न दान, स्वर्ण दान, जो भी दान उनके निमित्त behalf of that
So gifting the soul through the pandits that you feel.
तो वो देते हैं और फिर पंडितों से ब्लेसिंग लेते हैं कि हमारे घर में भी शांति हो, जिनके निमित्त हमने किया है उनको भी शांति हो. जैसे क्योंकि 12 दिन उस प्रेत ने कुछ नहीं खाया है. From first day to 12th day, प्रेत not eating anything, right? So उनके निमित्त व्याप में 12 ब्राह्मण हाँ, कोई लोग 13 बिठाते हैं, 13 फिर बोलते हैं विष्णु भगवान। हाँ, घर की न्यानी को भी बिठाते हैं, right? हाँ, because न्यानी we see from their family equivalent to the 100 Maharaj, one न्यानी। हाँ, तो ये होता है। तो फिर उसके बाद every month का श्राद्ध होता है, right? Until the 11.5 month 12 मासी finish, and the 12 मासी में क्या होते हैं? 12 मासी means 12 months, 12 months. So but we do the part in 11.5 months, right? तो भागवत का पाठ करते हैं, भागवत के पाठ का फल भी उस प्रेत को मिलता है, और उसके बाद फिर वापस 12 ब्राह्मणों को बुलाया जाता है, फिर पिंड दान करते हैं, कि ये हुआ पूरा साइकिल। Because 1 year journey from death to the 11.5 month is the 1 day of the break.
So it feels longer for us.
Long. So that's the way we have a Garuda Puran give us a beautiful explanation for the Shraddha. Then we feed the Shraddha, and then after that annually we feed the Shraddha on the Tithi when every year comes Pitra Paksha. Then we can do the Shraddha. The Shraddha is just a respect, remembering our loved one, because we don't know is he take the birth, reincarnation, or still he is there in the Prithvi. Yeah.
Okay. Interesting.
Yeah.
So I've also heard that you go to a place called Gaya.
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 Gaya. Yeah.
What is the significance of going?
Gaya is a very pavitra place, because it's a small story behind the Gaya.
Where is Gaya?
Gaya is in near the Bihar, right?
Okay. In India.
In India. That, where you know Bodh Gaya.
Ah,
Yeah, Bodh Gaya.
this is the same place.
Same place.
Oh.
Same place. So where there, Gayasur was a powerful. We cannot say the demons. Plus, he was a devotee of Lord Narayan, right? So he got the boon, right? कि उनको वरदान मिला कि मुझे कोई नहीं मार सकता है। उसने इतनी प्रेयर की, तो भगवान ने कहा कि भाई जब कुछ चीज आ जाती है तो हर कोई अपने आप को बड़ा समझने लगता है, तो he start misusing that boon, right? हाँ, तो फिर भगवान ने खुद ही जाके उसको बोला कि गयासुर, हाँ मुझे एक चीज चाहिए। तो खुश हो गया, भगवान मांग रहा है मेरे से, तो बोला क्या आप जो बोलेंगे मैं देने के लिए तैयार हूँ। तो लॉर्ड नारायण ने बोला कि आप कैसे मरोगे वो बता दो।
Okay.
हाँ? You know, in short and direct. तो आप कैसे जाओगे? तब भगवान को उन्होंने बताया कि आप अपना जो फीट है ना, हाँ, मेरे ऊपर रखो, हाँ, तो आप जाएंगे ना गया में, तो इसलिए गया में भगवान के चरण है, वो उस एरिया में पावर है। तो उसने ये बताया था कि प्रभु कि आपके चरण यहाँ पड़े हैं, हाँ, पर मुझे अभी एक वरदान मुझे चाहिए आपसे कि जो भी यहाँ आकर अपने बड़ों का पिंडदान करेगा, तर्पण करेगा, तो उसका मैं मोक्ष करूँगा। हाँ, मोक्ष। अगर गया दान हो जाता है ना, गया का श्राद्ध जाना पिंडदान हो जाता है ना, तो उसके बाद ये होता है कि आप एनुअली खिलाओ श्राद्ध या नहीं खिलाओ इसको।
Okay.
हाँ,
Okay.
फिर वो बंधन से छूट जाता है। Yeah.
Interesting.
There's the Gaya.
In fact.
Yeah, very powerful way. And when should you go Gaya?
Yeah.
After 12 months.
After 1 year.
After 1 year,
Yeah.
12 months. Actually क्या है, इंडिया में तो नहीं जा सकते लोग, तो क्या करते हैं 1 year गैप रखते हैं, तो पित्रा मेल करते हैं। पित्रा मेल मीन्स पितरों का मेल, right? Merge all the ancestor again to the पिंडदान। पितृ पक्ष में,
okay.
या वो करते हैं, पर यहाँ फॉरेन में टाइम नहीं है, इसलिए आफ्टर 1 year या आफ्टर 2 year can go to the Gaya.
Understood.
All right. Next question is
Yeah.
a rather interesting one. It applies to
Yeah.
everyone, I feel. तो पूजा पाठ जो अंतिम संस्कार के बाद हम
हाँ.
करते हैं, तो यहाँ पे और इंडिया में भी जहाँ भी ऑप्शंस काफी होते हैं। घर में करें, गुरुद्वारे में, मंदिर में. So, since the options vary so much between home, gurudwara, mandir, please shed some light on how does one choose where should the puja part after the cremation be?
After the cremation, see, it's very simple. Gurdwara not going to allow you to do all kind of this pindadan and all. Gurdwara only you can do keep the guru part. And I can tell you the interesting thing you got now that Gurdwara में क्या है कि उनका अपना जो actual prayer है वो 10 day का है.
Wow.
They not tell, maybe they're telling you and people say it's okay, we're not going to do the
all
10 day,
10
we need a shortcut and all. जो उनका जो पाठ होता है actually Sikh follow strictly 10 days, right? पर एज अ हिंदू हम लोग जो भी पिंडदान करना चाहते हैं या दिया रखना चाहते हैं तो आई बिलीव इन दैट कि गरुड़ पुराण कहती है हाउस इज द बेस्ट. होम में घर में करना चाहिए क्योंकि उसकी बिग अटैचमेंट आफ्टर व्हेन वी बॉडी को क्रिमेट कर लेते हैं, बॉडी का अग्नि संस्कार कर लेते हैं, तो सबसे बड़ी अटैचमेंट आत्मा की होती है उसका घर, उसके रिलेटिव, उसके नियर एंड डियर, right? You see, yeah, but if you have a no space, you can keep the Garuda part and Gita part in temple.
Okay.
It's fine. On behalf of someone, it's okay. But other rituals like a Pindadan and Bharvi की पूजा, right? ये सब अपने घर में करें तो उसमें दो चीजें होंगी, क्योंकि जो अटैचमेंट है सोल की वो क्या होगा वो भी पूर्ण हो जाएगी. क्योंकि क्या करते हैं जब प्रेयर्स होती हैं, जब पाठ होता है, you know what is the actual food for the atma? The actual food of atma is Simran, Bhajan, Kirtan, right? You know that's why you can see all the ladies and even the gents, any kind of this puja, they wear white. You see, they wear white, and white symbolizes the peace, right? Peaceful.
Give the soul.
Peaceful. You know why? Peaceful. So that's why. So I believe that temple में गरुड़ पुराण और गीता का पाठ हो सकता है. बाकी prayer, even though your house is small, no problem. Even though you have no facility to feed the Brahman, only can feed the one Brahman, right? It's okay also, right? You do the sankalp of 12 Brahman and feed the one Brahman as per your facility. But at least you उसमें क्या घर की शुद्धि होती है, घर पवित्र होता है. You know आजकल पता है मैं इन चीजों में I can tell one thing, good thing कि our beloved President K.C. Pell, right? We were in the temple with Maharaj Vishal. He was very strict in one sense because he never allowed anyone, because you know लोग आते हैं और हम लोग मंदिर में किसी के बिहाफ मंदिर में दिया जलाएं 10 दिन का. He said no, not at all, because उनको पता था क्योंकि भगवानों से आत्मा को मिक्स किया नहीं जा सकता जब तक आत्मा प्रेत से पितृलोक तक न जावे. You see, so it's, you can't light the दिया. And दूसरी बात, मंदिर में चलो जला भी दिया आपने, right? पर कौन टेक केयर करेगा? Priest not sitting all night, right? अगर वो दिया बुझ गया, then again the problem.
So you have to keep the diya lit
Lit
24/7
hours.
until
Yeah.
the 10th
10th day, 9th day night. It's very
So
important.
you have to add oil and make
Add
sure it
oil
doesn't
and
go off.
change the lid and all. And यहाँ मैंने देखा है हांगकांग में लोग करते हैं, जो करते हैं जिनके बड़े अच्छे हैं, who know the what is the correct procedure and what is the correct value and what is the attachment, you see, तो वो बरोबर करते हैं. मैं कभी भी किसी मंदिर में कोई दिया नहीं होना चाहिए क्योंकि रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी महाराज की है, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी वहाँ के टेक केयर जो करें उन लोगों की है. अगर कुछ भी हो गया वहाँ तो किस पर सिन जाएगा? उन पर जाएगा. So I prefer the house is the best.
You're also saying that because the attachment of the soul
Yeah.
is with the house. So if the soul's going to reside in the house, then prayers and the diya should definitely not be.
You see, when in India में एक आदमी गुजर गया, suppose, हाँ, we take example,
Right.
इंडिया में एक आदमी गुजर गया,
हाँ.
उसको नीचे सुला देते हैं, राइट, जमीन पर सुला देते हैं, और फिर किसी प्रीस्ट को बुलाते हैं, घर की न्याणी होती है, मे बी दिस यू नो दैट उसमें क्या होता है, सुखमणि का पाठ चलता रहता है, और पंडित क्या करता है, 18वां अध्याय गीता का पढ़ता है गौड़ी के पास बैठकर। अब आप बताइए, गौड़ी तो चली गई, वो आदमी तो चला गया, राइट, तो किसको सुना रहे हैं हम गीता का पाठ, क्या घर वालों को? नहीं, because Atma is still there, going around the body, going, and they looking to, Atma can see us, and वो देखती रहती है, ये क्या कर रहे हैं, ये रो क्यों रहे हैं, मैं तो यहाँ बैठा हूँ, why they are crying? So to make आत्मा शांत, पीस के लिए, आत्मा की प्योरिटी के लिए हम क्या सुनाते हैं, गीता का पाठ। आत्मा actually has a big attachment with the materialistic world, whatever उसकी फेवरेट चीजें होंगी वहाँ पहुँचने के लिए, तो इसलिए घर में करना बहुत है, घर की शुद्धि के लिए all the best.
Marathi, I have a follow-up question. You
Yeah.
said, I mean, we touched on this lightly, but I actually want to bring out the significance of it. The days that we spend in mourning, or we have shok prayers, as you said.
Yeah,
In ancient times, they said 12, 13 days.
13 days, yeah.
Everyone looks for a shortcut. We
Yeah.
look for a shortcut. Everyone is trying
Yeah,
to see what is the fastest route.
yeah,
So we normally now, I've heard 3 days,
Yes.
5 days.
yeah.
Where is the significance? What does it mean? And what can we, in real times, in these times, where can we cut down and where can we not cut down?
I'll add a personal story.
Yeah.
here. When my dad passed
Yeah.
away,
Deepa is the best example, and there is the answer also.
I think the answer will come from you. But I was misguided. I was told that, he's gone, let's do a 3-day prayer, wrap it up in 3 days, and don't continue any prayers thereafter. I did that. I followed whatever guidance I was given at that time. And then for an entire year, I couldn't sleep. One whole year, I couldn't sleep. Something is wrong, something is wrong. I contacted my bua, I said, let's go, and I found Jai Maharaj and actually came to him.
Yeah.
And I told him, I'm disturbed, I don't know what I did right or wrong, I just followed instructions, I am the only child, please help. So he actually guided me to then
And we
complete.
follow all we did.
So what did you have to complete?
So that was
We see. The best thing is, actually, first of all, your question is very nice, right? And this is
My shortcut
eye opener for everyone,
yeah.
right? You see, and even though I can I add this one more thing, right? Because see, some people they saying, oh, we follow the. I respect Babaji, right? Baba Radha Swamiji. I respect very nicely. But he never stopped anyone for any kind of a prayer. If you go and ask the Babaji, when I was small in our Ulhasnagar, we have a big Babaji before this Babaji, right? That Babaji came and someone asked, we doing the Thagadi Puja, we doing the Go-Go, we doing the all other Indian Sindhi rituals, right? So Babaji, what you saying? He say, you doing all the things for yourself. I am not stopping because these all things, if you believe, they connected with you to the God,
I see.
right? So same thing here. You see, because in this ritual, if you going to talk with, ask me the wedding where we cut, and then I can say, okay, we can bring something shortcuts, right? Yeah. So any other prayers, of course, we can bring the shortcuts, right? Wedding I can do in 1 mantra, 15 minutes, wedding finish. I can do that.
Wow.
Yeah, I can do that. 15 minutes, one wedding finish, and they exchange the garland and whatever, right? But here, we not doing prayer for ourselves. First of all, we're not doing prayer for ourselves. We're doing the prayer for the purity of the soul, right? Showing the soul and telling him your connection with this world is finished now, right? Please proceed to the other world from Preta to Pitrulok, and from the Pitrulok as per the karma, right? As per the karma, right? Karma is main. Gita say karam is the main, right? As per the karma, you going to get the justification of the moksha. So here, all the children, all the near and dear, helping the Pret Atma to performing all these rites. So I'm not going to say you should finish 3 days. You tell me, the person gave the whole 18 years with us. He sacrificed everything for us. And if we don't have as a children, his money is not coming. Well, how much are you going to give to Maharaj? Right? Maharaj, if you any Maharaj you're going to ask how much is the charge, he going to say, yeah, what do we wish? Actually, this is not a charge. This is dakshina. You know, dakshina. ये आपकी है. आप कितना दे सकते हो? हाँ, वो बताते हैं. फिर आप पूछते हैं कि क्या क्या करना चाहिए, तो बोलेंगे वस्त्र दान होता है, अन्न दान होता है. दान है, charity है. Charity go as per your shraddha and as per your capacity. So no shortcuts. Because 10 days, see, 10 days तक तो उस आत्मा का खाली मतलब शरीर बनता है. 11th डे पर घर की पवित्री होती है और आत्मा मूव करना शुरू करता है and start like getting hungry, you know. तो हम नहीं चाहते कि क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में starvation. starvation. वो दुख ना हो प्रेत आत्मा को कि मैंने इतना कर लिया इनके लिए. You know, एक funny thing है कि लोग बोले ओ मेरा फादर लिख के गया है, मेरे लिए कुछ नहीं करना. तो मैंने बोला भाई वो फादर लिख के गया है, अगर उनसे मिस्टेक हो गई है तो आप तो समझ रहे हो ना. You know, because see, अगर फादर बोलेगा मुझे ऑपरेशन नहीं कराना है, मैं डर रहा हूँ, तो हम क्या करेंगे? उसको छोड़ देंगे, लेके जाएंगे ना पकड़ के हॉस्पिटल में, ऑपरेशन करवाएंगे. उंगली काटनी होगी तो भी काटेंगे, मगर we love him. So अगर शुगर है तो उंगली काटेंगे. ये तो हम उस आत्मा को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं कि इस लोक से उस लोक तक पहुंचो. That's our culture. You see, you know, मुस्लिम लोग 40 days करते हैं, कैथोलिक लोग 40 days करते हैं, हाँ, ऑब्जर्व करते हैं, या और चाइनीज लोग का भी ज्यादा है और उनका एक्सपेंसिव भी है. चाइनीज लोग give so many things. So I prefer no shortcuts. Yeah.
Fair enough. While on the subject of shortcuts,
Yeah.
I need to do this because we all do it, and I'm one of them.
Yeah.
So what happens? So some people ask, everyone's looking for a loophole, right? So some people say, okay, how about we do 3 days here and then have a priest do this, do the rest of the ritual, or let them do it in India, or we need to feed the priests, we'll feed them in India.
Yeah, we can. That's no problem. See now because of the COVID-19, I'm doing with New York and New Jersey. I did 2-3 people here in Hong Kong. Final rituals and right, because they not even though give the body, right? Because the government nowadays you heard many things. Even though in India also they're not giving. So even though my brother in because Hong Kong is only one day, India 3-4. When I call my elder brother, बोलते हैं हाँ 3-4 जने गुजर गए हैं, फिर उनका तो वो yes, that we can do.
You can.
That you can do with the sankar.
So they take the intention of the person passed, even though he is far away physically.
Yeah.
That's good.
That's fine.
That's good to know. Maharaj, I have a question.
Yeah.
Why do Hindus cremate? What is our belief and why do we do
Yeah.
so?
The Hindu cremation is very important. You see why? Because Hindu believe कि आत्मा क्या है? वस्त्र की तरह है, right? Like a cloth, right? When they come out from the body, then they're searching for the other part, right? आत्मा क्या है? वस्त्र है. आत्मा कभी मरती नहीं. आत्मा far alive, right? So yeah, you see. So उसमें क्या है कि हम लोग ये मानते हैं कि ये जो शरीर है 5 तत्वों से बना हुआ है, right? 5 elements, right? 5 elements से बना हुआ है, तो it should go back to them. You see, that's why we do the cremation. That's why do the अग्नि संस्कार. कि जो identification है body की, because see the in the Christian they do the judgment day, day of the judgment, right? Judgment day के लिए क्या करते हैं? They bury, right? और फिर they believe also वो जो शरीर है, शरीर without आत्मा is useless, right? So what they do? They bury. तो वो लोग क्या करते हैं कि जो भी creatures होंगे वो शरीर को खाएंगे, पर हम लोग ये नहीं चाहते. हम चाहते हैं हमारा जो शरीर है, because आत्मा was inside, आत्मा was there, so शरीर also very pure, right? तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं और नेचर को वापस देते हैं उसकी चीजें, आग, हवा, पानी, आकाश और धरती. We are made from the body, yeah, elements. So we believe in that, and that's why we believe that वो जो air है, वो जो cremation के बाद जो जल जाएगा body, right? अग्नि संस्कार होएगा, तो air है, वापस उसको
Goes back to the air,
that's the
the
reincarnation.
water in the body goes back to the elements.
Water go to the water, fire तेज जो fire का है वो fire में चला जाएगा,
Ashes to the earth.
हवा हवा में चली जाएगी. You see, that's why we merge this one.
Ashes back
ashes
to the,
also.
to the river.
Yeah, river.
Very interesting.
That's why.
Very interesting.
You see.
So 5 elements.
And even though now China and all they follow, when the COVID-19 happened, they cremate.
They also do.
They're not buried. Why? Because they say COVID-19 is very dangerous.
Yeah.
Yeah, अगर बरी करेंगे कल को निकल रहा है वापस तो लफड़ा
It's to contain the disease
Yeah.
itself. It's actually better that way to compete, you know? Yeah.
Manaji, then what happens to what happens to the person after they pass away? What is the journey of that person?
Sorry.
I pass away. What is my next journey? What is that? What
See,
do
the
I
next
embark on?
journey, when you follow strictly, when the for the loved ones, the near and dear and the family follow all the rituals, when they merge with the ancestor and sitting in the Pitru lok, after that take 11.5 month journey, right?
Yeah.
11.5 month journey. And after that, as per the karma,
You said.
as per the karma, and अगर हम लोग ये बोलते हैं, अगर कोई मर गया चांट करते करते, कृष्णा से इन गीता, अगर कोई चांट करते करते मुझ में मन लगाता हुआ चला जाता है संसार से, तो उसका वापस बर्थ नहीं होता.
नहीं होता.
नहीं होता.
जो भी
वो
कर्म हो, whatever
कर्म कोई भी हो, क्योंकि जो जैसी मत्ती होती है ना, मत्ती मीन्स व्हाट इज द इंटेंशन इन द लास्ट
In
minute,
the last breath.
last breath. The next verse is that.
So we should chant.
Which that's why we're
Yeah.
putting the habit of the chanting, right? You see, so jo journey actually all is karma. When the karma going to come back, no one knows. No one knows. You see, हमारा एक कथा मैं बहुत सुनाता हूँ, भीष्म पितामह की. If we have a time, one line katha, right? That is it. Bhishma Pitamaha, all the arrows all over the body,
Yes.
sleeping in Mahabharata, in Kurukshetra. Krishna came, and what you need, if the Krishna came, all you couldn't wait now, because he has a boon. Whenever he wants, he can go from this world. So Krishna आए, Krishna बोले अभी तो चलो, पितामह, अभी तो आप चलिए, सब हो गया, पांडव जीत गए. तो भीष्म पितामह ने एक अच्छी लाइन ऐड की, कृष्णा मैं अभी तक सोच रहा हूँ मैंने कौन सा पाप किया है जिसकी मुझे ये सजा मिली है कि मैं सो रहा हूँ. It was very dangerous, right? All the arrows all over the body. तो कृष्णा smile, right? Like Krishna's style, right? He smile, right? तो हंस के बोलते हैं पितामह आप कितने बरस पीछे गए हो, बरस कितने जन्म पीछे गए हो, राइट? तो पितामह बोले 63.
Wow.
63 बरस अगो कोई भी सिन नहीं किया था भीष्म पितामह ने, कोई सिन नहीं किया था. You see, फिर कृष्णा स्माइल करके बोलते हैं 2 वर्ष और पीछे जाओ। तो देख रहा है 8 साल का बच्चा है और बटरफ्लाई को पकड़ा है और उसको टूथपिक डाल रहा है। यू अंडरस्टैंड
Yes, yes.
टूथपिक डाल रहा है। तब फिर भीष्म पितामह बोले अर्जुन कौन है? तो कृष्ण बोलते हैं अर्जुन वही बटरफ्लाई है।
Oh my God.
अब जाके अर्जुन बना है, इतने जन्मों बाद अभी सुला दिया है तुझको।
Understand. Karma.
कर्मा
Hmm.
कर्मा नेवर गो।
Full cycle.
Even though Bhagwan can forgive us sin, but karma never. We have to face all the karmic accounts back in it. So every minute, every second, we should check the karma. And you see now, the journey, final journey, very nice topic you both brought. And I really hats off to you both because I love to discuss these things. If I have 2-3 hours, I can give you the whole. So actually, you see, this journey, when you doing the unconditional karma for the purity of the soul, it will come back to you. The blessing come back to you. You see, क्योंकि जब हम नहीं करते हैं ना ये, तो इसके साइड इफेक्ट होते हैं। साइड इफेक्ट्स ऑफ घर, नो, साइड इफेक्ट इज दैट गरुड़ पुराण से कि उस घर में जनरेशन होना बंद हो जाती है। पितृदोष कुंडली में मेन हाउस से, लगन से, 6th हाउस में, 8th हाउस से, 12th हाउस से देखा जा सकता है कि इसको पितृदोष तो नहीं लग गया।
So in your horoscope.
इन योर हॉरोस्कोप देयर इज पितृ अगर लगा होगा तो क्योंकि लोग महाराज विशाल के पास आते थे, 15 साल से बच्चा नहीं है, 16 साल से बच्चा नहीं है, दे गो द डॉक्टर, दे कम बैक टू अस, राइट? तो महाराज देख लेते थे, बोलते थे अरे पितृदोष लग गया है। अभी किसका पितृदोष लगा है? अभी तो आपने गलत काम नहीं किया है, मे भी इसके फादर ने किया होगा, क्योंकि फादर के फादर ने बरोबर नहीं किया होगा दान, तो अभी कौन सफर कर रहा है? ग्रैंडसन सफर कर रहा है, उसके बच्चे बंद हो गए हैं, राइट? तो महाराज शाह कहते थे नो मंत्र ओनली वन रेमेडी। अमावस आती है ना एवरी मंथ, तो उसमें क्या करो, सब चीजें वाइट जो प्रोविजन का हो, किसी अच्छे से महाराज को दान करो, वो खाए। 3 महीने 4 महीने ऐसे करते थे, अच्छे हो गए।
Wow, that's a remedy.
Yeah, very good. So I'm telling you, this is a very important topic you brought, and it's going to be the eye opener for all. No shortcuts, no here and there. This is the full unconditional respect we're giving to our Lord.
Okay, thank you for that. This next question I find very interesting and very,
Yeah.
very close to me. Organ donation is supposed to be a very noble cause.
Yeah.
So, what do the scriptures say? What do you say? What is your opinion?
Organ donation is no problem. Organ donation, but still, if after donating the organs, they return you
They do.
the body,
They do.
and from that day you do the cremation,
Normal ritual.
and then you follow.
Understand.
Yeah, but organ donation, because you know some people give the body, they take the body to the hospital and they do the research. I don't know what they're
Medical
saying.
science research.
Something like the research. So we can't do anything done then until the body is there.
Right.
You see,
But then
body is the biggest identification of the soul. If body is there, even though we're going to do all the rituals, right, all the karmic account, all the karmic kriya, is still the soul going to be there because his body is there.
No, so the intention is to actually save
Yeah.
other lives. You can save up to 200.
Yeah.
They say you can save up to 200 lives.
Yeah.
Because you give a piece of your liver, you
No,
give
it
your
is
eye,
good.
you give
It
your...
is very good, but donate the
Complete
organ.
the cycle
But
and
if they
do
give
the
this
rituals.
body,
Fair enough.
yeah,
Fair enough. Fair enough. Thank you.
I have a question.
yeah.
So, जब हम फ्यूनरल पे जाते हैं
Yeah.
तो सब लोग जो अटेंड करते हैं और फैमिली मेंबर्स भी सफेद रंग के कपड़े पहनते हैं. We wear white to
Yeah.
Hindu funerals. What is the significance of wearing
White, as I said before, the white is symbolize the peace. It's not that कोई और कपड़ा नहीं पहन सकते, but white give the peace to the soul. White is the symbolize the peace, right, for the peace. तो इसलिए आप देखेंगे अंग्रेज लोग उल्टे हैं, वो ब्लैक
Yeah,
पहनते हैं एंड इवन दो जो ब्लैक पहनते हैं और बर्थडे पर ब्लो करते हैं कैंडल्स,
Yes.
बर्थडे पर ब्लो करते हैं, बट आवर स्क्रिप्चर से आवर कल्चर से इफ यू ब्लोइंग ऑन द बर्थडे द कैंडल्स यू ब्रिंग द नेगेटिव थिंग because our culture light the diya prakash. See, so many lights are in the temple. Light the diya for your new life, right? Don't blow it out, right? And then the why you wearing the black? Because black always for the negative thing. Black symbolize the negative. With the white is bring the peace in the atmosphere. You see? आप वैसे देखेंगे ना, वाइट कोई पहना होगा ना पूरे उस फ्यूनरल पार्लर में सारा वाइट तो आंखें शांत काम होती है। That's why.
I just have a question on the candles. So what should we do with the candles?
No, candle. See, if you really want to blow the candle,
Huh.
light the diya first, or light the other candles before which you cannot blow.
Oh, okay.
This is formality you blow for the picture, for the photo and whatever. And they, even though I'm surprised, Mala Vishwa always say, even when they blow before blowing the candle, they wish.
Yeah.
How you blow the candle and wish?
How? Okay.
Because see, हमारा क्या है, हमारा धर्म प्रकाश में है। Yeah. हर कार्य में हम प्रकाश लाते हैं, right?
So I have another question, which
Yeah.
is again quite personal to me.
Yeah.
That I understand in our community, one person from the family, and it's preferably the son,
Yeah.
that carries the pinny, which means being the main pallbearer.
Yeah.
So me being the only child and a daughter, always wondered क्यों, why is it that सिर्फ लड़के ही pinny carry कर सकते हैं,
Yeah.
only boys can be
Girls.
the main pallbearer.
Yeah.
Even Kandi, which is carrying of the coffin, is only allowed by male figures of the family. Why
It
not
is-
women?
It is very simple. See, first of all, for the kandi, we put the jneu. Even though jneu नहीं होएगा, तो भी कच्चा जनेऊ पहनेंगे।
हाँ.
Yeah, jneu is
Which
very
is thread ceremony.
Thread ceremony.
Initiation.
Right? Initiation. Girls को नहीं पहनते, right? Second.
तो क्यों नहीं पहनते girls?
ना गर्ल को इसलिए गर्ल को इसलिए नहीं पहनते हैं क्योंकि गर्ल्स एक तो उनको पावर है टू बी अ मदर, राइट? क्योंकि गर्ल्स ही हैं जो बच्चे को बर्थ दे सकते हैं, और कभी कभी क्या है मंथ के प्रॉब्लम होती है, पीरियड्स आते हैं, राइट? बिकॉज इन आवर कल्चर वी feel if the periods comes in between the 12th day, right? Then what should we do then?
Yes, I had that.
Right? Because अपवित्री हो जाता है. Second thing that is शमशान में आप देखें क्रिश्चियन हॉल में वहाँ कैथोलिक जहाँ है हमारा वहाँ लेडीज अलाउ नहीं है. Why? Because so many bodies burn. You know? और वहाँ पर तांत्रिक क्रिया भी हो सकती है, राइट? बिकॉज स्त्री जो है, जो लेडीज हैं, वेरी पवित्र हैं, वेरी पवित्र हैं, वेरी पवित्र हैं,
Pious.
right? Yeah.
Pious.
हाँ, pious, वेरी पवित्र हैं, तो उनको बचाने के लिए, क्योंकि उन पर कुछ भी क्रिया हो सकती है ऐसी, एंड ऑल्सो कि वहाँ पहला होते हैं कि आत्माओं का वास भी होता है, क्योंकि इतनी बॉडीज बर्न होती हैं वहाँ पर, राइट? तो इसीलिए लेडीज को लेके जाना अवॉइड किया जाता है, और बेटा क्यों हो उसका भी एक कारण है, बिकॉज जैसे ही कन्या शादी करके जाके उसका गोत्र चेंज हो जाता है, सरनेम चेंज हो जाती है, एंड आई एक्सप्लेन यू 3 जनरेशन and 3 generation from the same gotra. That's right.
The lineage.
Yeah.
DNA, same DNA, वही generation का जाता है.
That's pretty interesting. So it's more for our safety.
आप believe नहीं करेंगे. Just I don't want to say the name. Just 1 week before, I don't know who was the whose funeral here in Hong Kong. Some lady called me and she said, "Mama, this is the problem, and I'm near to the family." So I say, so in the period, how come you can go? Then, then फिर क्या हुआ कि मैंने बोला मैं बहुत ही नजदीक हूँ उस फैमिली के, तो मैं बोला okay, as a Maharaj I cannot compromise, but I can give you the advice: do not go near the body.
Oh.
Do not. बॉडी क्या पवित्र है, उस टाइम पवित्र हमने उसको प्रेयर्स करके पूजा करके, और हमें पता है कि आत्मा घूम रही है, because see in the period we cannot by mistake touch anything, right? You see, and the lady has the period, right? So listen, so that's why the ladies को avoid किया जाता है, और ladies को कहा जाता है up to the funeral parlor वहाँ पर।
Although some of us go, right?
Some go, because you cannot stop. See, in our scripture, they do not say, oh, why the daughter cannot give the Mukhagni, the Agni Sanskar, right? Can give. But if these things come in between, in 12 days,
Okay.
how we
It's just your
stop?
home of vulnerable to, I think, be exposed.
You understand? Yeah. So that's the thing.
Fair enough.
At this point, I want to remind everyone, all our fabulous viewers out there, to send in your comments if you've experienced that you have a question that has not been answered. Then please type them in your comments, whatever channel you're tuned into, and we'll definitely read them out in the next few minutes. Maraji,
Yeah.
we want a few quick do's and don'ts. What
Yeah.
to do, what not to do. Example,
Yeah.
burning question. Somebody is traveling. My
Yeah.
close family member is traveling. Should I go to the funeral? Should I not go to the funeral?
Should go.
Should go to the
Should go to the funeral. There's a, see, I can give you the example.
Mm.
We are the Maharaj.
Mm.
We go each and every funeral.
Mm.
Right? Because we are the priest, we cannot say, we are like a doctor,
Mm.
right? We cannot say, oh, my wife is flying, or this, and I'm not going to go. And we are also the human, same human, right? And tell me, what did the Atma know, right? What's the relation Atma has with you? And why the Atma who is already suffering? Atma already suffer कर रही है, यहाँ पर दुखी है, यहाँ से बाहर जाना है उसको, तो उसको टाइम मिल जाएगा आपको हम पहुंचाने के लिए कि वो फ्लाई कर रहा है उधर जाके मैं उनको वो करूँ.
So I wonder where the superstition started
Yeah,
from, you know?
and even though I feel, because I don't want to say the name, few families are so beautiful, so strong. Last year I did one wedding in Bali. Someone passed away. Was they here? You know, right? Yeah. So they all came, even though the marriage का मुहूर्त निकला हुआ है. लोग बोलते हैं नहीं हमें नहीं जाना चाहिए, मैरिज का मुहूर्त निकला हुआ है, हमारे बच्चों का ऑस्पिशियस डेट निकली हुई है. There is no connection with your dates. You giving the final respect because you're not going to see that person again anymore.
Okay. So
Instead of that, take the blessing.
I see.
Go there, take the blessing. These all the man-made things. अपनी बनाई है चीजें, अपना हमारे को आकर कोई बुक दिखा दे स्क्रिप्चर, अगर उसमें लिखा हुआ हो कि भाई आपका कोई ट्रेवल कर रहा है, आपका बच्चा कहीं ये कर रहा है, तो हमें नहीं जाना चाहिए, तो हम फिर मानेंगे उसको.
So it's a myth.
Myth.
Should go.
Yeah.
Do you have any more of those do's and don'ts? Anything you can tell us?
Yeah, because I'm only concerned about the funeral parlor. My main concern is through this channel, right, and the final journey. मैं एक ही चीज को दोहराऊंगा कि चाहे वो एसोसिएशन काम करे, चाहे वो महाराज काम करें, चाहे वो हेड प्रीस्ट काम करें, वो अपनी ड्यूटी संभालें और एक कम्युनिटी के लिए एक रास्ता खोलें कि when the funeral going on, you should keep the discipline, you should be calm, and also participate in the chanting, because you are the well-wisher for not that person who left, right? That is not that thing, but you are the well-wisher for the whole family. You know, मेरे को किसी ने, मैं एक funeral पर था, 3 बार किसने बोला महाराज जी शांत करवाओ, महाराज जी शांत करवाओ, महाराज जी. Even though recorder को हमने बढ़ाया, chanting चल रही है, they talking the business, they talking the get together, they talking about the clothes, gossiping for nothing. You see, so that is my main thing to tell the whole community. And even though this is a responsibility, they are the priest there, right, for the chanting. Do the chanting.
Just an explanation of moksha, of liberation, because that's the ultimate goal, right?
Yeah.
So how can we are the living family, how do we give or help the soul to get moksha?
First, we finish all the rituals correctly, right? And when we do the every month Shraddh properly, even though if you do not have a time, you can send a provision to the priest, and priest you should choose as a qualified priest that they can take this nicely, right? You see, and after that you can annual जब होता है श्राद्ध आता है every year का do the tarpan again, right? And also with the chanting. Chanting the Om Trambakam mantra, chanting the Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya mantra, and also keeping properly the Garud Pran and the Gita. They can
Complete your rituals or have the Maharaj help you.
Yeah.
Correct.
They can help you. And moksha is like a as per the karma. Yeah, but these things help.
Yeah. Got it.
Thank you, Maharaji. That
Yeah.
was very
Good,
liberating. I think we had one more question before
Yeah.
we opened up to questions from the floor.
Yeah.
We are running a little bit of time, but we'll just finish it.
Okay.
Okay. So the question here is, what can relatives, friends, and the community as a whole do to support a family going through the loss of a loved one in various aspects, say financial, moral support?
Yeah, we should give the moral support, and also if really they are financially they need some funds, right? So we should give. We should help them with their respect and help. And this is a good cause. Yeah. And we can arrange the funds together and help, because the expenses are very big sometimes. The arranging the buses and funeral parlor hall and all. So that we can help. Yeah.
And if you can't help financially, just help support the family with maybe cooking, food, provision.
Yeah. Cooking food, when the 12 Brahman feeding is there, then we can help them to take.
Okay. So
give the food.
there's always resources and help
And
available.
this is a blessing. This is a blessing.
Okay.
This is in return
Sure.
benefit to the person who helping them. Yeah.
Okay. Very good.
All right, so we have some questions from
Yeah.
our viewers, some really interesting ones. Some of them are partly answered, I believe, but
Yeah.
let's just go with them. So we have a question here that says, Maharaji, is reincarnation immediate?
Yeah, reincarnation is immediate, right? But as we said, we had to go step by step. All the stages, the Pindadan is the main, because when the body comes out, when the soul comes out from the body, it is the Pretatma. Pretatma. To helping the Pretatma to reach to the Pitrulok, the first stage. And after that, as per the karma, that we do. Right? Some are a Pavitra Atma, they leave and they are Pindadan after 12 days, and then God sending them back in some holy places.
Oh.
Yeah, then they can chant and this and all. You see, I can
So that's in reincarnation
Reincarnation.
form. And so can that be immediate after your 12, 13 day? Can you be reincarnated?
No, they
straight
have to
away?
go for the 1 year.
It's a 1 year journey.
1.5
Okay,
year
I get it.
journey.
And then they can
They
reincarnate.
can, as
Got
per
it.
the karma.
So it takes
Okay.
1 year to be
Yeah.
with your ancestors
Yeah.
first,
Yeah.
and then the reincarnation
Yeah, so
starts
12 days are very important. Even though you are busy, you cannot feed the Brahman every month, this and
There
that.
is help
I
to do
agree.
it, yeah.
But 11.5 month Pindadan, then
Okay.
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 All right. You want to do that question? We do one.
So we had a quick one about these times. These are challenging times. So during COVID, if someone passes away from COVID, the body is not given to the families for the final Hindu rites. So
Mm.
what should the family do? I think you touched upon this.
Yeah,
But
we
the
doing-
families feel very bad, or we feel very incomplete. So
Yeah.
how do we deal with that?
No, once we find out,
Mm.
they already cremate because the government not giving the
That's right,
body,
yes.
but the body already cremate or
Mhm.
bury, whatever the as per their convenience.
Mm.
From that day
Hmm.
or very next day, or if you knew that government saying tomorrow we're going to do.
Mm.
Now this happened one in Africa, one in New York, and someone in UK, and I already did their prayers.
Okay.
So
Mm.
we follow from that day, the first day, and we finish the 12th day. Yeah.
That makes the family happy.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, got it.
Okay, this is also a very interesting one. I've seen this happen. So if someone dies,
Mm.
something around the line of Panchak, they said 5 more people will die soon.
Ah,
after.
Panchak Puja. Right, right.
Yeah,
Ah.
it's if it's done a particular date, or the planets
Yeah.
are
See,
aligned.
the
with-
first of all, when someone passed away or died, right, immediately the family called Maharaj. What is the vela? What was the is the time is okay?
Mm.
So please always, because every month we have a Panchak. Every month. Panchak
That is
means
a
5.
date. Oh, there are 5 days.
Tithi, the tithi, the date is the Indian tithi. There's the Panchak. Panchak means 5 birth star.
Hmm.
Nikhetra, together, right? So we call the Panchak. In that Panchak, when priest say Panchak, right? So he perform the Panchak Puja also, right? Panchak Puja is in Panchak Puja, what we do, the 5 dolls also, or the four dolls,
Mm.
we make with the cross, the dummy doll,
Mm.
also we burn with the body.
Oh, I
And
see.
you can see the funeral parlor, the person body coming out from the
Chatai.
mat, the
Yeah,
grass
chatai.
mat, chatai.
Yes.
चटाई से होता है चटाई
Mm,
लेते हैं
yes.
दो तरफ से उससे निकालते हैं क्योंकि अगर ये पंचक पूजा नहीं की गई और फिर पंचक पूजा 11वें दिन भी होती है प्लीज नो दैट पंचक है वो नहीं तो क्या 5 जनों को लेके जाएगा और भी 5 जनों में मैं भी प्रीस्ट भी आ गया अगर उसको प्रॉपरली नहीं किया
Mm.
तो पंचक पूजा इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बट दैट इज
Which the priest will know
that's
and
priest
for
job.
if-
That's priest job. If he's a knowledgeable priest, he's going to see from the Pancham. That's why in our elders, they always call Maharaj that time. This like the birth time.
Yeah.
You
Yeah,
are, give the birth
okay.
time.
Time of death.
Give the death time.
I see. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Give the death time. This time, this father. But every month have the Pancham.
Okay. You have one more question.
So we have one more question. Do you believe that our dead loved ones visit us and give us signal that they are still around us?
Yeah, sometimes. Yes, sometimes they see it's two way.
Mm.
Two way. One, we fulfill all the rituals, all the rites, right? And if they're happy, right? They only come for the blessing.
I see.
Give the blessing, right? You see? और अगर नहीं हुआ है, अगर हमने 3 दिन में खत्म कर दिया, हमने 5 दिन में खत्म कर दिया, हमने 1 दिन में खत्म कर दिया और उसकी बॉडी को बनने नहीं दिया, because the पिंडदान, I have no time, but I will explain you how we do the पिंडदान. Yeah, maybe the next time.
Maybe that'll be our next
yeah,
time.
next time. Because I really want to give the Garud Pran to whole community. Because no need to scare from the Garud Pran. Garud Pran में जो चीजें लिखी हैं ना, अगर उसको सीरियसली अच्छी तरह क्वालिफाइड महाराज के साथ फॉलो करेंगे ना, तो उसमें क्या होगा कि घर में शांति भी रहेगी, बिजनेस भी अच्छा रहेगा, घर में क्लेश नहीं होगा और जनरेशन भी बढ़ेगी, right? So means without one आते हैं, because see गॉड को पहचानने के लिए हमें हायर अथॉरिटी का वो प्रेयर करना पड़ता है, वो चीज तक पहुंचना पड़ेगा, एंड वी आर लिविंग इन दिस वर्ल्ड विद द इल्यूजन ऑफ द गॉड, तो माया से जुड़े हुए हैं, हमें सब चाहिए, तो डिफिकल्ट है गॉड तक पहुंचना, पर इफ यू रियली लव द लॉर्ड वंस and if you properly perform all these prayers and help that soul to lift up, right, to the other loka, they will happy. देखिए आप शराब पिलाते हैं ना, शराब खिलाते हैं. अभी किसी का फादर से 1975 में गुजर गया, like my grandfather, right? तो अभी तक हम शराब खिलाते हैं,
Okay.
right? So we are like Maharaj is like a courier, like a courier, right? Because see, we do the Sankla. Sankla means what is the day, what is the tithi, and behalf of which person we eating. All the Maharajas,
Right,
right?
right.
So that food we eating, but we are not eating.
Symbolic. Yeah.
We are eating behalf of that some soul, right?
Sure.
अगर उस soul का as per the karmic account अगर rebirth नहीं हुआ है, वापिस आया नहीं है, तो वो जो आप खिलाते हैं annually वो उसको मिलेगा. अगर उसका rebirth हो गया है, रिकॉर्नेशन के हिसाब से वो वापस आ गए हैं, तो वो उठ जाएगा वहाँ. तो वहाँ तो आदमी नहीं है, एड्रेस गलत हो गई है, राइट? तो हाँ, तो वापस कहाँ आएगा? वापस आपके पास.
I see.
विद द बिजनेस, चिल्ड्रन को आशीर्वाद देने के लिए तो आते हैं. Still, you know, I finish whole prayer in this temple in the morning. In my last prayer with Maharaj Vishal and with my mom. And many times the people say different questions, the obstacles. So sometimes I'm also learning in this world, right? So difficult question, if I can't understand, I bow down quickly. I ask him every time, give me the remedy. Thank you. Yeah, they not give me ऐसे हम बात करें, वो कुछ ना कुछ आ जाता है.
Sure.
तो ऐसा नहीं, ऐसा करो. तो वो, yeah.
Thank you all for those questions. Very interesting questions. So viewers, we are grateful to Maharaj Jai Maharaj
Thank you.
Jai Sharma,
Both of you.
who has enlightened us on how we can assist and support our loved ones to start on the final journey. Although Hinduism is the third largest religion in the world, not much is ever discussed or known about what to do when there is a demise in the family or about life after death. Death is one of the biggest realities of life, which is least spoken about, but we feel it is a must-know for all. We hope that this direct, unfiltered session today has explained the importance of the sacred ceremony, upholding our beliefs, traditions and culture, and recognized and addressed all aspects of the ceremony with its significance as the soul is released from this earthly presence. If you have any further queries or questions, please do not hesitate to contact Maharaj Jai Sharma ji or Nirja or myself at Plus Group International, and we will be more than happy to answer all your questions or help you with your processes whatsoever during this difficult time. Thank you all so much for joining us, and we hope you have learned and appreciated this.
Yeah, thank you,
Thank you,
Neeta
Maharaji.
and Deepa.
Thank you.
And it is very nice. And from this channel, I can add one more thing. For the arrangement of the cremation, the documentation, some people, you know, really can't afford it. And also, they don't know what is the procedure. So, you all can contact Deepa and Neerja. They can help you, right? Because you know, sometimes filling the form and bringing and correct documentation.
Yeah.
So you both can help them. And I will very soon going to give you the whole list, update list, that what to follow and what is the stages they follow from the first day to the 12th day. Then you can help them nicely.
Lovely. And we can share it with everyone.
Yeah. And one more thing I want to do, 1 minute prayer for the COVID-19. We all can do in front of Lord Shiva. बस उनसे यही विनती है कि जो भी COVID-19 है वो निकल जावे, और जो भी सफर कर रहे हैं अभी तक हॉस्पिटलों में हैं, चाहे वो डॉक्टर हैं, चाहे वो कोई भी सोशल वर्कर हैं, सबको प्रभु विल पावर दे और सबकी प्रभु रक्षा करे. So we going to keep 1 minute silence for that. त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्. ॐ शान्ति 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 ॐ. I want to give you something from the Mata Rani. Yeah?
You're so kind.
Yeah.
Thank you.
1 minute. This is a small blessing.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah, because you both are doing very nice thing for whole community, right? That's to be fun.
Okay.
Yes. ओम सर्वमंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वासाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्ते.
Okay, sweet. Thank you.
Yeah, this is from Mata Rani. Yeah, always you both do all these social service. Help सर्वमंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वासाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्ते.
Thank you,
all.
Madam. So
Thank you
knowledgeable.
all.
So
Thank you very much.
Thank you for your time. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us. Any
Yeah.
questions, we're always here. All of
Thank
us.
you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Hare Hare Bole Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.